Hi guys, welcome back to another colorful keto with Dory. And I wanted to show you my favorite way to wake up a quick, easy, classic meal. So I posted a couple of ingredients this afternoon on my page and I invited you guys to guess what we're making. So we've got shredded chicken, which is leftover rotisserie chicken. We have a plain Greek yogurt, and we have AlternaSweets Spicy tomato ketchup. So as we're starting to make, you guys kind of get to cheat on Facebook, because on Facebook it's got the description of what we're making. But I'm curious if you guys have any guesses while we're getting together the rest of what we're making. Now, I also grabbed myself a really pretty sprig of kale and one nice cherry grape tomato that we're going to slice up too. So let's start with that and see if you guys have any guesses what we're going to make. You don't get to guess on Facebook because it already shows. It would only be cheating if you guys guess. So George, any guesses what we're making today? We're going to use shredded chicken. I've got a grape tomato, some kale, some Greek yogurt, and some AlternaSweets Spicy ketchup. So we're open for guesses if you guys know what we're making. So I got my pretty beautiful bowl. So that might be a little bit of a hint about what we're making. So we're going to start out with my pretty bowl and we're going to put in our shredded chicken so that we've got it all nice layered in the middle, because we're going to build up around it and make it all pretty. So we're going to build it kind of like a little campfire and put all of our chicken in the middle of our bowl like that. So it's all nice and pretty. Grab a napkin. And then we're going to add our cherry tomatoes around the sides. Got our pretty cherry tomato. And then I have some lovely bone broth that I've got boiling here with the rest of my leftover rotisserie chicken. So we're going to add some of my beautiful bone broth. And this is just boiled from the rotisserie chicken that I had left over that we're using in this recipe as well. And all I added to this when I let it simmer was a little bit of garlic, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. So we're just going to put that on top of there nice. Then we're going to add our Greek yogurt. And this is just a plain Greek yogurt. If you are dairy-free, you can substitute this with a coconut cream instead to give you a nice texture of cream soup. And then our secret ingredient. This is what's going to make it a spicy soup. So we're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons depending on how much spice you like. I do find that this spicy ketchup does have quite a bit of a bite to it. But I like that. I do like a little bit of spice in my food. So we're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons for me. And I love how nice and thick and creamy it is. And then we're going to add our kale garnish in the middle. And that is our beautiful, quick, easy, spicy, shredded chicken soup. So I'm going to take some pictures and I'm going to enjoy my first meal of the day. Have a great day, guys.